AMTOVL Floor Scraper. The AMTOVL Floor Scraper is a great tool that eliminates the hassle of manually removing difficult thin set and floor adhesives. The Sabre Tools 4-inch SDS Plus Floor Scraper has been specifically designed to remove thin set, floor adhesives, linoleum, laminate, and carpeting. You can save time and energy by easily attaching our demo hammer floor scraper to any SDS Plus sized rotary hammer. The high-quality hardened steel construction provides long-lasting durability and a long lifespan. The Marshalltown ProSkim is the preferred professional drywall tool for skim coating a level 5 finish. Its comfortable, non-slip ergonomic plastic handle is lightweight, easy to hold, and allows you the right amount of control to render plaster and perfectly smooth drywall compound over joints and other areas. You can choose a tool length between a range of 12 to 48 inches to suit your preference. All blades measure 0.3 millimeters and are made with stainless steel to give the blade the right amount of flex for a smooth finish and easy feathering. To protect your blade, all orders come with an edge guard to use during transit and in storage. Our ProSkim drywall finishing tools are made in the USA with global materials. The TOUGHBUILT 18-inch PVC saw is designed to be the most efficient and optimized saw for cutting plastic substrates. Featuring a high-carbon steel blade for greater longevity and straighter cuts, the saw cuts with ease through various plastic materials. An injected molded handle provides maximum comfort and control for the user. The saw features a metal blade housing to optimize stiffness and control for the user, as well as onboard carpenter pencil storage in the handle. The precision aluminum alloy 35mm hinge boring hole drill guide hinge jig with clamp is designed for woodworking cabinet door installation. It features a 35mm cabinet concealed hinge jig with 3 groups of hole spacing: 45mm to 9.5mm, 48mm to 6.3mm, and 52mm to 5.5mm, as well as 68mm to unlimited hinge positioning from the door end. It works with 3mm, 4mm, 5mm, and 6mm hinge offsets. Made of all aluminum alloy, this product is beautiful and durable. The hinge hole has a small drill bit positioning hole. Equipped with a limit ring, the drilling depth can be adjusted. The universal clamp is stable and provides strong clamping. The drill sleeve adopts a precision bearing guide drill sleeve, which makes hole drilling more smooth and simple. The Rapid RP100 MULTI Power Reduction Riveting Pliers are heavy-duty and ideal for all sheet metal work and repairs. The pliers feature power reduction technology and an ergonomic handle to prevent muscle fatigue during major projects. The unique multi-nozzle design allows for quick and easy changes between rivet sizes, resulting in fewer interruptions and optimal results. The pliers are also equipped with integrated calipers to measure material thickness and rivet diameter, suitable for 3.2 to 4.8 mm blind rivets of all materials, including stainless steel. The pliers also feature a holster belt hook and a rivet pin receiver for convenience. These easy-to-use and powerful pliers are a must-have for any sheet metal job. The AMES Taping Tools Nail Spotter is a useful tool that applies compound to nail or screw head dimples. With one pass, you can fill a row of dimples. The crowned high-carbon steel blade allows for shrinkage of compound. With the nail spotter, you can work from the floor, eliminating the need for scaffolds, benches, and stilts. This rugged tool is constructed of stainless steel and uses a skid instead of wheels to extend blade life. It fits the ADTEX universal extension handle. The TOUGHBUILT Post Hole Digger is a durable and lightweight tool that delivers sharp, ergonomic performance in tough terrain on the job. It features reinforced blades optimized for penetrating tough terrain and a composite handle that provides rock-solid strength and durable stress tolerances. with an engineered pivot bolt for maximum strength and concentrated leverage on the tool at the head. Each strike makes for maximized actuation when digging post and support holes or plant and shrub holes. The post hole digger's rivet reinforced, heavy-gauge steel blades are designed for cross-platform utility and feature an ergonomic, oversized molded upper hand grip to reduce arm, shoulder, and elbow fatigue. This ensures steady pounding strikes that transfer downward striking pressure without converting damaging shocks to the user. The Marshalltown LayFlat Notch Trowel is a unique tool that features wave-shaped notches designed to eliminate air pockets between the substrate and tile, resulting in superior coverage and adhesion for medium to large format tile applications. Made with the same professional quality materials as Marshalltown's standard notch trowel line, the LayFlat Notch Trowel is constructed of the highest grade carbon steel, equipped with an aluminum alloy extra light mounting, and features a DuraSoft handle. This product is made in the USA with global materials. The Raider RDI-BS belt sander is a versatile tool that features dust-capturing capabilities and comfortable extra handles. It has a unique design that allows it to be used as a stationary sander when placed upward with the stripe on a flat horizontal surface. The sander has a rated voltage of 50 Hz and 230 volts AC, with a rated power of 1200 W. Its no-load belt speed is 480 meters min1, with a belt length of 61 millimeters and a width of 100 millimeters. It has a protection class of II. Geismar Narval battery-powered rail drilling machine. The Geismar Narval battery-powered rail drilling machine is a versatile tool that offers 2 speed settings and is suitable for both bit and twist drills. Equipped with a quick clamping device and clamping shapes, the machine can be perfectly held to the rail and positioned at the desired drilling height for optimal safety. Its reduced weight and case-containing accessories make it easy to transport. The machine also provides maximum comfort of use thanks to low vibration levels at the handles and LED lighting of the working area. Its drilling gauge allows for precise longitudinal positioning of the machine to drill holes at a predefined distance from the rail end. The motor starts immediately and is maintenance-free, making it quiet and emission-free and ideal for use in confined spaces. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.